Oh, Mario. I'm having fun. Let's run off to the sunset. This way. Let me get my backpack. Oh, that's right. My backpack's over at my friend's house. I forgot. Oh, yeah. I suppose I should have not get pierced. Yes. This is awesome. Yeah. Oh yeah. This is awesome. Let's see if I can jump still. Oh crap. Oh, that's pretty fun. Let's go back inside now. Yeah. So much fun. Hey, Cardinal. Oh, that's right, you're dead. Can't see me now because it really sucks. This is my house. My cabin because I'm not at my house. The heck? Let me check something. Boop. Aw, man, I'm almost out of battery. Whoa. I'll have to make this a 2-minute video. Bye.